Today I will show you a very fast and easy way to open up your lymphatic system so that you will have better health, beautiful gooey skin and healthy digestive system. So we're gonna put our both hands to the side. Our wrists are at 90 degrees and our fingers are looking up to the sky. And just focus here, breathe deeply and push with the lower part of the palm. Push them hands out and breathe deeply here. We're opening up the nadis, the energetic system, and on the physical level we're opening up the lymphatic system. Very good. Now hands down the Gyan Mudra and just breathe here for a moment. Come to presence and feel that energetic shift already happening in your body. Good, and now let's go to the second round. And opening our lymphatic system, it's very important for our body's detoxification process and also for our immunity. It also enhances our circulation and energy. And of course, something that we all want to have is a healthy, beautiful, gooey skin, just glowing. A lymphatic system is open. It reduces toxins under the skin as well, helping it look clearer, more radiant, and less puffy. So this is something that I recommend you do every day. It will just take a couple of minutes a day. And just deep breaths here. And you can start to feel a little uncomfortable in the forearms. Just means that it's working. And now hands down to Gyan Mudra. Let's be in presence and just enjoy this. Now for the last round, let's push them hands to the sides. Give it your best efforts here. This is our body's natural drainage and defense network, and all of this is leaving us feeling more energized and light. So you're doing your body a huge healing process right now and allowing it to feel its absolute best. Now hands down to Gyan Mudra. Very good. And now to finish up this beautiful practice, we're pushing our palms together in front of the heart center and we're breathing in, and when we breathe in, we're gonna squeeze our mubangs. So our anus and sex organs, we're gonna squeeze and we're gonna push this energy up, and we're gonna do this 3 times. Very good. Push this energy up. Keep pushing, push it all the way up to the spine, all the way up to the top of the head, to our Sahasrara chakra, our crown chakra. And out. Very good. Now hands come down to Gyan Mudra and just allow your body's natural rhythm to come back and enjoy this. Take this time to notice how your body feels lighter, your breath feels freer, and your mind feels calmer. These simple movements, they help encourage our natural flow. They release tension and bring more energy and ease into our day. So take a moment and feel gratitude for your body. And remember, even a few minutes of mindful movement each day, it can make a big difference in how you feel. And I wish that you carry this sense of lightness and flow with you into the rest of your day. Thank you so much for tuning me today. I wish you all the best. Bye.